Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover web font and web shape fonts. Web shape fonts are pre-installed in browser and devices, while for web fonts, we need to use the links of the CSS files of that font. In Sublime Text Editor, first we will create a new HTML file. We will click on File, New File. To save the file, we will click on File, Save, File name learningfonts.html. In the HTML file, we will type less than symbol then HTML, and on suggestion display, we will press enter key in the keyboard. This will generate the boilerplate code of an HTML file titled Learning Fonts. To open the file in the browser, we will go to the location where we have saved the HTML file. We will right click in the HTML file, then open with Google Chrome. You could select any other browser also. We have created two div elements, and in the head section we have created a style tag, and inside it we have created two class selectors. We are using the selectors in the div element class attribute. First we will see example of web fonts. Google Fonts are example of web fonts for which we need to use the links of the CSS files of that font. We will search Google Fonts in the browser, and from the list of fonts we will select a font of our choice. We need to click the button select this style on the right hand side, and we will get the links of the CSS files. We need to copy the links and paste them in the head section. Below CSS rules to specify family, we could find the font family that we need to use in the selector. On refreshing the page, we could see the font family applying to the div element. Now we will see example of web shape fonts. Web shape fonts are pre-installed in browser and devices, and if we search web shape fonts in browser, we could find a list of web shape fonts available. We could directly use these fonts. On refreshing the page, we could see the font family applying to the div elements. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.